And good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Let me just double check my audio. Because my speaker isn't working, so I'm using my headphones. Pero, gamitin ko lang ang headphones ko just to make sure everything is doing well. Ayan. Okay, mas pogi. Magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. And today we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin was a very big topic over the weekend kasi Bitcoin, if you just look at the charts of Bitcoin, BTC USD and BTC USD last Saturday, right, October 26, umabot siya ng 10,000. It had a parabolic climb right here, and we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin in a bit, right? We'll talk about this because this is a very good sign for Bitcoin. We have a higher high level, and once it pulled back and may mga pumasok na dito and started to go up again, 9591. So this is a good sign. Let's see if we can get an entry into this if you want to trade it, right? Pero we'll talk about that. More about Bitcoin entries and strategies later. And also NASDAQ 100. No, not ND. NASDAQ 100, right? So if you noticed, 8029 closed at an all-time high, right? It hit an all-time high last trading day, last Friday. And this is good. Is this a bullish market? Bullish market na ba ulit para sa international market? Somehow, this is looking well for us, especially sa mga nagka-copy trade sa atin. Our portfolio is now up 2.24% for October. So, this is a good climb, good recovery for us. Overall, I am doing long-term naman sa international market. So, everything is doing well. I think maganda na yung position natin ngayon. So, we'll talk more about this in a bit. Let me just lower this down. Yun. So, we're done with the music. And let me go to the comments really quick and pag-usapan natin to in a bit. Alright, please share the video. Pag-share mo ang video to your Facebook walls and your Facebook groups para naman ng mga friends ninyo and your trading groups sa mga newbies na doon. Malaman nila that there's a program like this that can help them in their stock market journey. And I also have recommendations sa PSE. Today, last Friday, si PSE, as we predicted, mukhang babagsak, and there it is. We were at resistance levels. I told you that. And then we are reaching 8,000 levels. We did almost hit 8,000 the opening. But then market pulled back. We'll see if makapag-breakout tayo. Today, most probably, with the international market looking well, baka sumabak din ang market natin. So I'm expecting a green for the market today. And medyo nahuhulaan natin ang market But anyways, ayun. Let's go to the comments. Good morning, Joe Ligares. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Francis Raylan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Marlo Baroro. May buntag, Sir. MBT po. Gain ako nung Friday 4%. Tinignan ko po. Port ko ngayon umaga negative 8 na at 63.40 na ang last price. Bakit kaya ganun? Sarado po market. Most probably, kinumpute na nila yung what they call this? Yung dividends. Kasi ngayon lalabas ng dividends, diba? No, not the earnings, the dividends. Magkasabay kasi yung earnings at dividends. Hindi ko maklik yung dividends tuloy. So, most probably, kinumpute na nila over the weekend na ang what they call this, ang dividends. Okay? Or, no, I'm not really sure if that's if hindi pa lalabas ng dividends. News, tignan ko nga ulit yung dividends. Asa na ba yung dividends? Press release. Declaration stock divs. Right, very good question right here. Let's cover this really quick. Okay lang ba ang audio? Please let me know if there's something wrong with the audio. Still adjusting the audio as of the moment. Ayaw rin mag-load ni Microsoft Edge. So, let's see. If ever hindi pa naman dividends date, most probably glitch lang in the market. It should be fixed by 9 o'clock. Okay? Alex Malagan, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Apple. And Miss Laika, good morning din. Air Plata, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika and Miss Apple. Good morning din. Coach, insights ko kay SRPT, Amazon, Starbucks. Thank you, Coach. Right, so international market. Mukhang okay naman ang international market ngayon. This one right here, may resistance lang. We were talking about this movement right here, pullback and bounce. And ayun, best talaga dito is a breakout for this stock. But overall, this is showing us what do you call this? A bullish signal right here. Kaso nga lang, may resistance na talaga. Best entry right for this is a breakout. Okay? For SRPT. Amazon, good recovery from Amazon. Right? It dropped, what do you call this? Nag-gap down si Amazon, but the earnings helped it go up, and the market was bullish. When it hit support, umakyat kagad. One of the reason bakit bumagsak si Amazon was I was reading this article over the weekend. Kasi si Amazon tsaka si Microsoft, I'm invested both. If you wanna look at my portfolio, may Microsoft ako, may Amazon din tayo. This one right here, Apple, no, not Amazon stock will react to Pentagon awarding 10 billion. Meron kasing Jedi Cloud Computing contract. Magkalaban si Microsoft and Amazon. Ang nanalo si Microsoft. It was Microsoft who went up instead. MSFT. Then si Amazon, kasi talo sila sa project, bumagsak si Amazon, but because it was support and it was a bullish, somehow bullish market movement for the international markets. If napapansin niyo po dito sa taas, upper right, green po halos lahat kasi it was a bull movement for the international markets. Anyways, once it hit support, umakyat pa rin si Amazon. So that's good. Even if hindi sila nanalo sa hindi sila ang nanalo sa project for Pentagon. But it was a big project, so I'm expecting Microsoft to still go up MSFT. I am invested in Microsoft, and we're expecting Microsoft to really go higher over this week, over the course of the week. Ang ganda ng earnings, 10.59%. That's a very good number for quarterly gains compared to last year. Plus, the project should propel Microsoft even higher because they were the ones who won the project, the 10 billion project from Pentagon, the Jedi Cloud processing. So that's a very big plus for Microsoft. So, Microsoft, breakout entry if ever gusto po pumasok kay Microsoft. Amazon and Starbucks. Alright, Starbucks, international market. Ito si Starbucks, may green eh. Right? I'm waiting for Starbucks to shell out their earnings. Right? If ever lumabas ito earnings na Starbucks, which I think is gonna be positive, I'd say yes, Starbucks should be good already. Plus, technical analysis-wise, divergence na si Starbucks pababa yung presyo niya, but RSI is starting to go up slowly already. So this is good already. I would say bodegahin nyo na Starbucks, and if you wanna speculate for a bit, also kasi malapit ng earnings niya, baka lumipad na yun antayin nyo pa yung earnings, but lumipad na mahirap na pumasok. So I'd say just do test buy here already, or pwede nyo pong bodegahin ito kahit bumaba po yan. Hindi po Starbucks is a very good company. It still should go up in the future. Praiselin Rentuza, good morning everyone. Good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Michael Ibabaw, God bless Lodi, at magandang umaga Lodi. Good morning din. RJ Sir, good morning. FB and ISM. Si SMC yung nasa recommendations ko ngayon Si FB is already doing well, right? Nagpo-pullback. Alright, this is a good pullback for FB. Previous resistance were right here, so it should bounce anytime soon. Overall, napakalit pa rin ang risk ni FB. So the next bounce, if you can get the bounce near MA20, that should be the best entry point. And ang lapit pa rin na support So overall, this is still good. This is still good for FB. Okay? Medyo mahirap lang kasi walang volume. So I'm expecting for a slow climb for FB for the meantime. Sino pa ba yan? Magandang umaga, FB and ISM. Ayan si ISM. We just talked about, we had a topic about ISM last week. You should check it out, right? So ISM created a resistance right here, doing a pullback. Let's see what will happen. Hindi pa natin ma-recommend si ISM. This support is the best entry point for ISM. If you can enter here around this level, that's the best entry point for now. Okay, RJ, sir, good morning, FB, ISM. Nabasa na ba natin pala yun? Mayroon akong nabasang hype pa. Okay, food drink naman down 30. May chance pa ba umakyat? Alright, so Very good question from Alex Manangan. Daanan natin yan mamaya. Jeff Trajano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. RJ, Sir, good morning. Facebook and ISM, thank you. Mike 16, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Happy Monday po sa lahat. Happy Monday to you too. Alan Cabalar, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Thank you sa $50 bonus sa eToro. Sir, what is your insights regarding Amazon, Google, FB, Microsoft? Is this the right time to buy them today for long term? Si Microsoft, si Facebook medyo shaky ako kasi ang daming controversies about privacy and nagiging maarte na ngayon ang so baka mahirapan si Facebook. Ang pag-asa ko kay Facebook is if it pushes through with Libra, that should help Facebook go up. But as a company, I think it has peaked out already. I want Facebook to really make a big pullback, since I'm not seeing any reason to buy Facebook yet aside from Libra, which is gonna kontra ngayon sa US government. So yeah, let's wait for Libra before we want to buy Facebook. But Amazon, Google, Microsoft, these are good for long term. Still, these are the best companies still out there, and Amazon is doing a lot to expand, not just on the they're also in the tech side also. So it's very good. It's a very good company. Google is good also. So yes. Emily Golds, good morning, sir. Pabati naman kay Daryl Indoy. He is listening. Daryl Indoy is listening to you now. Curious din siya sa stock market. Alright, that's very good. Hi, Daryl Indoy. Alright, start them young, Emily. Diba? Elma Barbudo, ISM and DNL po. We just talked about ISM. Si DNL naman, isa sa mga gusto kong bodegahin ninyo. Alright, so it's doing a pullback right now. Any bounce soon should be a good entry again for DNL. We recommend the DNL here and it started to go up already. Hopefully, bigyan tayo ng bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, that will be our next best entry point for DNL. So yeah, good morning, sir. TP na ba ako kay Meg? Tindi na mga questions natin ngayon na target profits na. So magsisell na ba ako kay Meg? Sorry about that. Sell na ba si Meg? If you entered at the bottom where we recommended it, I'd say yes. Sell half already. Wala pa namang momentum talaga. It's not yet really touching the upper bands, and we're seeing big reds already and lower volumes. Sell half already. Mataas-taas na ito eh. Right? So, sayang naman ang profits ninyo. I would recommend selling half already. How much is the profit already if you entered during my recommendations? Dito, around 12%, 13%. Right? So you're most probably up 10% right now. I'd say sell half lang. Right? I think this is still gonna go bullish right here since the market is gonna be recovering. So, but just to make sure na mabawasan yung emotions niyo, right? Minsan kasi pag mataas ng gains natin, emotions run high. Ang takot, andyan, baka mawala ang gains natin. We tend to become greedy. Yung iba naman, aakyat pa ito, hindi naman magte-take profits, tapos manghihinayang, tapos ang ending, ibebenta na lang nila kung magkano to, saka naman umakyat, right? So, just sell half, right? Just sell half of it para maibsan yung emotions niyo. Malin Cruz, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, all. Good morning then. Aris de la Peña, good morning, sir. Emperador at Del Monte po, more power and God bless. Right, Rafi Ayub, insights po kay Sun. Right, his Sun. After this, we'll talk about the main topic today, which is Bitcoin and NASDAQ. Right, so si Sun Trust, eto, we talked about this last Friday. This, because it is still in the upper Bollinger Bands, there is momentum in this. Diba, nakita niyo po, it opened here and then umakyat ng 8% before going back down and then umakyat ulit and then, nag-close dito, diba? So, there is momentum in this. So, there is volatility. There is good day trading potential in this, right? If you want to look for volatility, dito po magandang mag-trade. Ang problema lang sa Pilipinas is wala tayong short selling, so volatility on the upside lang tayo kumikita. And it is very hard right here. Okay? Kasi upside lang. If marunong po kayo mag-day trade, yes, there is opportunity in this. But mind you, there is resistance here already. Very clear resistance. So, mahirap na ito. If you know how to day trade, then you day trade this. I don't want you to get in here because naiinggit kayo sa pag-akyat niya. And I don't want you to get in here because nangihinayang kayo, pwede pa umakyat yan. Pwede nga umakyat yan, right? But the flip side of the coin is pwede rin bumagsak yan. And that's just being greedy. If gusto niyo pa pong pumwesto dito, kung hindi naman kayo marunong mag-day trade, okay? we are. I'm teaching you how to do position trading. I'm teaching you how to do bottom picks, and that's against the system, right? So yeah, if marunong lang kayo mag-day trade, then look at it today. Baka mag-volatile pa rin, but the volume is running thin. So I guess hindi na aakyat yan. Mukhang magpo-pullback yan. Okay, so let's go to the topic really quick. Right, punta muna tayo sa topic, which is Bitcoin breaking 10K. Right, so si Bitcoin over the weekend, let's open the chart of Bitcoin again. Layan natin si BTC, USD. Right. Alright, so after this drop of Bitcoin, umabot siya ng 7,000. Buying started to go up. It was a parabolic climb. Ang climb niya was as high as from the bottom to the top, 45% gains. Amazing. Tindi ng mga nakasalo kay Bitcoin. And nagkaingitan and nagkahabulan sa taas and nagkaipitan na naman. So right now, was probably yung mga humabol sa 10K, naipit na naman kay Bitcoin. Right? Bitcoin. Recommendation for Bitcoin is, you do not trade it. Huwag niyo pong i-trade si Bitcoin. Why? Because this is very volatile. Mapapakat-loss lang kayo. For example, bumasok kayo dito sa around 9,800, tapos bumagsak bigla hanggang dito sa baba. Ang laki ng loss niyan. Right, that's already 7%, and your system will tell you to cut loss already. Negative 7% of loss is already a cut loss. Tapos pag nag-cut loss kayo, saka naman umakyat. Look at this right here. If ever you traded Bitcoin and you bought the support of Bitcoin, and most probably at around negative 5%, negative 5%, mag-cut loss na kayo below support. Right? Pag cut loss nyo, saka naman biglang umarangkada, yun yung problema. Ang daming nag-cut loss dito. Kaya there is a very big red bar right here because ang daming nag-cut loss niyan. And when people cut their losses, saka naman umakyat and sasakit lang ang ulo ninyo. Right? Sasakit lang ulo nyo if ito trade nyo ito. Best strategy I've been telling you about Bitcoin is try to bodega it. So the last dip was right here, and I told you buy some. If it goes further down, just buy more because it is very volatile. Where even if it hits your cut loss, pwede pa umakyat ulit yan and magsisisi lang kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. Okay? We don't have a good dip right now, so I don't want you to buy Bitcoin. And nasa taas na po yan ngayon. Right? Anytime soon, it should give us a good pullback. Kung gusto nyo po pumasok kay Bitcoin talaga, let it give you a clear pullback before you wanna get in. Kasi ito, FOMO levels lang ito ngayon. Okay? Every time it dips, that is when you buy Bitcoin and then you do not trade it. Ang strategy for Bitcoin is magbodega po. It's not good for trading because it's very volatile. Not unless you know how to day trade. That is where Bitcoin becomes good. Kasi kahit Sabado at Linggo, pwede po kayo mag-trade ng Bitcoin. Right? Ang ganda nito, 24/7, kahit anong oras pwede kayo mag-trade ng Bitcoin. Kung marunong kayo mag-day trade na, then that is when you try to trade Bitcoin for day trading. And speaking of day trading, plug ko lang muna ito ha. Go to my Facebook page. We have a free seminar. If you're a newbie and you don't know what they call this, you don't know about the seminar yet, this November 10 and 11, malapit na po. Alright, this is at the second week of November. This is for free. Libre lang po itong seminar na ito. So please register to this seminar. There are instructions on registering. Yun lang po ang hinihingi namin, but this is for free. Overall, my co-speaker here in this event is Miss RB Necesito, Raquel Necesito right here. She placed 11th ito dapat on eToro's trading competition for Asia last month, September. Okay, and she earned 106%. And for October, she's already up around 30%, so that's very good trading for Miss RB, and she will teach you how she is doing day trading. Okay? And libre lang po yan. Huwag niyo po sasayangin. If you wanna learn how to trade, this is the best seminar for you. Okay? Just follow the registration instructions right here. Okay, so let's move forward. And also NASDAQ. Let's talk about NASDAQ. Because NASDAQ hit all-time high. Ayan, so nag-all-time high si NASDAQ. It hit right now it closed at its current high, but it reached around 8033, which is the highest NASDAQ has ever been historically. Right, let me just close this. Right, historically, this is the highest point of NASDAQ, and nag-breakout siya last Friday. And with the earnings of the companies, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo sa international market. Kahit po magkaguluman sila, ang US, stocks may go drop, but the companies, especially the good ones, most probably are not gonna drop that much. Why? Kahit po si China and US are gonna have trade wars, people all around the world are not gonna stop eating McDonald's, drinking Starbucks, buying Nike, buying Apple. So it won't stop people from doing that. So it's not gonna be, it is gonna be recovering din. Right? Magre-recover din po ang international market since their coverage for their business is very big. Hindi lang po US. Right? Mahihirapan po niyan ang mga companies na nasa US lang ang sinuserve. For example, here in the Philippines, ang mga companies natin dito, mga Pilipino lang ang clients, they're contained in the Philippines, kaya po pag nagka-problema sa Pilipinas economically, lahat ng stocks bumabagsak. But if you're diversified and is targeting other countries in your business, even if bumagsak ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas, you are still gonna be getting good earnings because hindi lang naman Philippines ang market mo. Okay? So that's the advantage of the international market. So here it is. It's already starting to recover. This means na there's a very good optimism for everyone, for the investors about the trade wars. Right, yung trade wars, I think it's easing out. Meron na pong planong truce si US and China, so that is alleviating the market already. So mukhang good times ahead na tayo for the international market. Hopefully nagsimula na po kayo sa investing sa international market. Nakikita ko dito, konti pa rin lang naman na nasa international market. So, we're inviting you to join us in the international market. Doon po tayo mag-trade, mag-invest. Gusto nyo po mag-trading? Bakit po kayo magpapakahirap mag-trade sa PSE? Diba? You're here to learn how to trade. I'm inviting you to a better playing field, which is the international market. Ang dali lang po mag-trade sa international market because of good volume. Right? Volume po ang pinakakailangan for a technical analysis to work properly. Right? The technical analysis that you're seeing is programmed or is derived from a market that has good volume. And in the PSE, ang hirap po ng technical analysis. Kung alam nyo lang po, mga supports nagfe-fail, even the ascending triangles, yung mga triangle patterns, even breakouts are not consistent in the Philippine Stock Exchange. It's because the volumes are very small. So, international market, pag breakout po talaga yan. Hindi naman talaga, but higher chances po na nagsusustain ang breakout because the volume is very healthy. That is why, if you are in the PSE for trading, I'll invite you to in the international market where it's much easier to trade and technical analysis are much better because of the volume. If ever nasa PSE kayo, to be as much as possible, be an investor there na lang. Okay? Kasi maganda pa rin naman mag-invest sa PSE since the companies are not that big yet. There are bigger chances that the companies are gonna go abroad like JFC, etc. But yeah, laki pa nang pwedeng i-grow rin naman ng PSE. But best if you just invest in PSE because it's really hard to trade there. If gusto nyo po mag-trade talaga, international market. Join us in eToro. We are trading using eToro. If you wanna join us, if you wanna create an eToro account, please make sure lang po, ito lang po hiling ko in return, please make sure you use my link. Gamitin niyo po ang link ko. Andyan po sa video description. Because when you create that helps the channel a lot. And when you help the channel, the funds that we are receiving from our sponsors, this is what we're using to continue this program every day. And our seminars, kaya po nakapagbigay pa tayo ng mga libreng seminars, it's because of your help in return. So it's a symbiotic relationship between both of us. So please do, if you want to create an eToro account, make sure you use that link down there. All right, thank you for that. NASDAQ 100. we just talked about this already pala. So, tapos na ito. Wait, I'm gonna go back to the comments. At around 9 o'clock, I'm gonna go with my recommendations. Konti lang naman yung recommendations ko for today. Tatlo lang naman. So, I'm gonna go back to your comments and read ano yung mga gusto nyong ipatulong. If you have any comments, if you have anything to say, please post it on the comments so we will read it. Morning, Malan Cruz, Ars de la Peña. Good morning, sir. Emperador at Del Monte po. Sorry, it's Emperador. Ganda na support ni Emperador right? It's doing sideways right now, but Emperador overall is a good company, right? We have a good support for Emperador here, and we're reaching that support already. It's creating a support of its own right here. I'd say yes, test buy this. Pwede nyo na po itong test buy. If it goes further down, just keep buying more. Emperador is a very good company. Second quarter niya, negative 4%, but this was because second quarter ni Emperador last year was very big. 33%. Kaya nahirapan siya i-topple that. But compared to the 33% last year, negative 4 lang naman ang binagsak niya second quarter. That's still good numbers, right? Considering the second quarter performance Emperador did last year. So, hindi naman significant itong drop na ito. Overall, that's still gains ni Emperador. It's just a comparison to last year. Try to test this out, and then if it goes further down, the main support is right here at this area. Ang problema natin is hindi natin alam kung babalik na yan dyan. Kung gusto niyo po sa Emperador, bodagahin niyo po habang nasa baba yan. It already reached buy level sa RSI, so that's a good signal right there, right? Emperador, and then there is divergence right here already. So this is divergence levels for Emperador. Okay, Del Monte. Si Del Monte, biglang naglabas ng mga pangit na numbers kaya nahihirapan umakyat si Del Monte. Right. Support for Del Monte. We are at support levels. Test the support out if you want to. As much as possible, get in near the support. We have a short-term bullish movement naman sa price action niya. So, I guess mukhang aakyat ito si Del Monte. This is a good find. This is a triple bottom level for Del Monte. So, test it out if you want to. At least, at the very least, get in near the support. At least, maliit po ang risk ninyo. Rafi Ayub, sir, insights po kay Sun. We just talked about Sun earlier, diba? It's really hard to get in that kasi masyado mataas na po. Malan Cruz, ask ko po about Sun na stock. Na-hype po ba ito? Yes, definitely. There were changes kaya medyo ang taas ng limit niya. Pero wala. We are not seeing any we're not seeing any news kay Sun to really cause this much of a climb. Okay? Ganda lang ng volume. This was the best indicator right here. Pero ngayon ang volume ang lilit na right? Mas malaki pa ang volume nito nung pula siya, but on the climb ang liit lang ng volume right here. So and then lumiliit ang volume. So I'd say it's not a healthy climb for SunTrust. Alvin Calves, ayos naman ang audio, sir. That's good. Alex Manangan, sir, ano po ba insights niyo kay Food and Drinks? Now I'm down by 3% loss. May chance po ba kayong umakyat? Definitely with the market right now. Lakas ng chance na umakyat. It's just that the previous months, yun nga, si President Trump is nagloko kaya mga stocks are dropped, right? So yan, medyo nag-negative 3.58 si Food and Drinks. But if you want to check out the companies under these are very good companies. So I'd say yes, malaking chance na umakyat ito. Coke, Pepsi, McDonald's, Starbucks, Domino's Pizza, Tyson Foods, Chipotle, Dr. Pepper. These are very good companies overall, right? Still in this after the negative na mga nangyayari sa international market, they still are at the positive for this year. So this is still good, right? And now that the market is recovering, international market is recovering, this should recover also for this month. So I'd say yes, this should be okay for this. May chance pa rin itong umakyat, right? This itong mga funds this is best for long term po ito for Alex Manangan. Okay? Jeff Trajano, Sir Lloyd, ano po ba nangyari sa Emperador? Bakit tagal sa 7? Matagal talaga umakyat si Emperador. Right, wala lang buyers pero wala rin naman nagbebenta. Yun lang ang ano natin. Yun lang ang problema natin. Wala kasing gaanong volume. There are people buying it there are still volume right there, pero not enough. Okay? Market overall is very slow kasi. Kaya ayun, especially nagpupulahan last Friday. Rafi Ayub, sir, insights kay Tech. Tech is giving us good technical analysis eh. Right, so Tech nag-bounce. So you should test this. Again, I won't go away from my, I know I did recommend Tech before for trading. This is still for trading. Ang linalabas ko lang sa recommendations ko ngayon talaga are for bodega na stocks. I cannot say bodega pa rin si Tech because fundamentally speaking, it's not yet recovering. Ang laki ng negative sa second quarter niya. So I'm shaky with the Tech right now. But technical analysis wise, it's already giving us good signals at paakit yung RSI niya, meaning wala na po nagbebenta. So anytime soon this should go up. Make sure lang that you are following your cut loss, right? The reason why I'm not recommending this is baka bumagsak ito because fundamentally speaking, it's not going up. So malaking chance na bumagsak din ito. Baka ang mga tao kasi mag-hope and hindi mag-cut loss. If gusto nyo pong pumasok ito, technically speaking, pag may green ito, I would say it's a buy already. Pero please follow strict cut loss, okay? Alvin Galvez, asan na yun? Alvin Galvez, Sir Lloyd, ano po ang gamit nyo pag-view na international market? I am using tradingview.com, right? Tradingview.com is the chart that I'm using right now for international market. Sa eToro, pwede rin naman kayong gumamit ng chart nila. Let's go to, let's say for example, chart, let's say Apple. Right, Apple, and go to chart. And then, meron po ditong drop down for pro charts. Itong ano nito, what is this? Gear, button ito, launch pro charts. And pag nag-pro charts kayo, pwede naman dito kayo mag-charting. Okay, maganda rin naman ang pro charts. It's just that nasanay ako sa traditional na charting. So yeah, then go here for your indicators, Fibonacci ray, segment triangle, studies right here. Like for example, Bollinger Bands, and default lang, create. So andyan po, Bollinger Bands makita niyo po dyan. So you can use this also. Problema ko dito kasi di ko ma-save eh. Right, so the post lang. Hindi ko ma-save yung so every time I look at the charts, hindi nasa-save. Kaya pumupunta ako sa tradingview.com, okay? Kasi nasa-save ko yung nasa-save ko yung mga technical analysis ko. Saves time. Right? Air Plata, Alvin Galvez, you're welcome. Air Plata, sir, tanong ko lang sa stop loss. If ever po ba nag-set ako, example, $50 weekend, then nung open yung market ng Monday ng 48, alin po stop loss ko susundin? 40 or 48? Thank you. 48 po ang masusunod ninyo. Right? What is the market available? Ganun po ang design ng stop loss. Kasi kung 50, wala namang gustong bumili sa 50, hindi ma-release sa 50 yan. Right? Kasi if 48 yung 48 yung available, doon kaagad bibenta niya kasi nasa 48 ang demand. And stop loss is a program that will tell you, that will let you exit whatever is the available exit right away. So, 48 po ang masusunod dyan. That's for Air Plata. Richard Alan Bolisay, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip naman po si DMC, DD, Starbucks, Intel. Right, unahin natin si PSE. DD. Double Dragon, right, may resistance pa rin sa Double Dragon. We recommended Double Dragon around here sa support niya. So, next best entry for Double Dragon is if mag-sustain itong breakout. It did attempt a breakout before and nag-fail siya on the resistance and is still forming that resistance right here. Overall, it's an ascending triangle. So, breakout is the next best entry point yan, Double Dragon, unless bumalik siya sa support. So, it's either sa support or dito sa breakout niya. DMC. Yan, si DMC bumalik sa support eh. Sudden drop for DMC. Wala namang bad news kay DMC. Right? Nagka-sell off lang. Taking profits sa mga tao. Let's see if it will bounce at the support. Pag nag-bounce ito today, yan, then that is a good support entry and that's a divergence level. So, any bounce soon kay DMC. Tingnan niyo po, end of the day, around sa hapon, mga alas 2 to alas 3, kung green po yan, pasukin niyo na kagad. Alright, si Starbucks, let's go to the international market, SBUCS. Right, Starbucks is a buy already. Ayan, we just covered this already. Nag-cover na tayo dito eh. This is divergence already for Starbucks. So, right now, these two greens are already a buy for Starbucks. And also, you wanna speculate kung sa tingin nyo malakas naman si Starbucks, baka umakyat pa ito at lumipad on when the earnings will come out. Now, I think it is gonna be positive for Starbucks. So if that happens, you just do test buy now. Actually, pwede nyo ito ibodegahin eh. Ibodegahin nyo po Starbucks, a very good company right here. Okay? Starbucks and Intel. Intel, very good company pa rin si Intel. Yun. So after the very strong earnings of Intel, lumipad, nag-gap up. So, antayin lang tayo na next pullback and bounce before we're gonna go into Intel. This is a very good company. You should be able to get in on the next pullback and bounce. Good morning, Sir Lloyd, DMC at SSI po. Si DMC, we covered that already. 80, no, not here. 80, si Atlas Mining. Tingnan natin. Ganda ng third quarter earnings ni Atlas. So this should help Atlas go up, right? If you wanna enter Atlas, enter the support of Atlas, okay? Ito yung support niya. So yeah, with the earnings of Atlas, that should help it go up. Hopefully, pasukin ng mga investors yan, and it should go up. SSI, actually, okay na ito eh. Pwede ito pasukin si SSI. Recommended SSI here. Actually, yeah, I think this is the moment when I recommended SSI. Pullback and bounce already. This is already a good price action already for SSI. Yeah, I want to add SSI to my picks for today. Thank you for reminding me about SSI. Hindi ko nakita to sa SSI. Confirm na pala ang support ni SSI. Confirm na yung bounce niya. So yes. Becca Tangan, sir, good morning. Insights po kay ISM. We covered ISM already. Doon natin sa support bilhin si ISM. Okay? Mas maganda sa support or a breakout. AC, Ayala Corp. Yan si Ayala Corp, nagbagsakan last Friday. This is the downtrend line of Ayala Corp, but we have already a possible support here. So any bounce zone aggressively is a good entry. I would say yes. I would aggressively enter AC since this is a good company naman. So it's okay to go aggressive on this. This is a support area right here. So pag nag-green yan, I will enter AC. So if ever takot kayo maging aggressive, especially di pa naman bullish yung market, breakout from this downtrend line is the best entry. But I guess this is already a very good entry point for AC. Ang recommendation ko kay AC is budagahin niyo po yan. If it goes further down, then just buy more. Right? So just buy now. Hindi natin kasi alam kung akyat na yan or hindi. AC, DNL, just covered DNL and ACB. Aurora Cannabis sa international market. Ayun. So, ACB, it was a buy already. We talked about this a few days ago. And umakit na, unti-unti si ACB. So, hopefully, mag-sustain ito. Tapos na yung downtrend niya, right? So, hopefully, nakapasok na kayo kay ACB. That's already a buy right there. Jeff Trajano, sir, tapos na ba yung promo ng $50 sa eToro? Yes po, tapos na po. The last day was October 18, right? October 18 po natapos yung promotion and last week po binigay yung $50. If ever hindi nyo po natanggap and you would have been valid, if ginawa nyo po yung account using my link, please email jeffgu at etoro.com. Yeah, email that guy. They should be able to help you with that. All right. Nguyen Hero, nice. Thank you. You're welcome. Kaiker63, what can you say about MBT? MBT is a very good company. I've been recommending MBT for the longest time. Sabi ko sa inyo, budagahin niyo yan dito and then just buy more here. Look at the earnings, 41% compared to last year. Those are very good numbers kay MBT. That should help MBT go up already. Right? For now, medyo mataas na po siya. I don't want to recommend it now. Let's wait for the pullback and bounce before you wanna get in again MBT. Right? But overall, kung gusto niyo pong maging investor kay MBT, it's okay. I'd say yes, this is a good company to start accumulating. Okay. Price will still may the price still go down when the market opens today because of the stock dividends. What would you recommend execution for MBT today? It depends on your purpose. If you're trading MBT and if the stock dividends should go out today, wala na kayong choice niyan kasi babagsak na yan. Hindi kayo makakalabas niyan unless you go out on a negative. Overall, it's still at a very good position. So even if it goes back down, I'd say hold it, because with these numbers and the market recovering, starting to recover, MBT should still go up, right? This is ang purpose natin kay MBT, right? I've been recommending this to you guys if you listen to me. And if you, Zenaida, since pumasok ka kay MBT, most probably nakinig ka sa akin noon, nabodegahin niyo po yan. Right, so even if it goes down today, this is a good opportunity for you to accumulate more, right? If ever nakuha niyo yung dividends, then that means Metrobank just gave you more stocks at the price where you bought it, di ba? So that's still an accumulation opportunity, yung dividends niya ngayon. So I will not recommend going out. Dapat kung ayaw nyo pumasok kasi magda-drop down ito today. Kung hindi nyo, kung ayaw nyo sana pumasok sa drop niya, dapat binenta nyo na last Friday. Okay? But since hinawakan nyo po at lalabas ng dividends ngayon, you are gonna be affected with the gap down. So just hold on to it. Oil. Sana oil. Ang dami ko nababasa sana oil, kaya oil tuloy yung basa ko. Oli pala. Sorry about that. Oli Florentine. Insights on Now, Sir Lloyd. Right, so Now, may maganda developments in Now Kaso nga lang pula siya last Friday. So profit taking. The stock should be on an upturn after those news. So, yeah, antay tayo sa pullback. Magandang pullback. Amang tayo na magandang pullback and bounce for now. M-Wide and Glow. For M-Wide, I've been recommending M-Wide na bodegahin niyo po si M-Wide. And there it is, umakit na po si M-Wide with good volume. Actually, so, yeah, this is already okay for M-Wide. I'd say, hindi ko sinama si M-Wide ngayon kasi medyo high risk na siya. But overall, pwede pa si M-Wide. Alright, try to bargain for a little bit, pero overall, pwede pa pasukin si M-Wide. Alright, medyo nakatalon na si M-Wide. Sabi ko sa inyo last Friday, abangan nyo ito at the end of the day. Bag-bounce yan, pasukin nyo na po. Because this is an engulfing pattern for me. And there it is, with volume pa, yan si M-Wide. So, I guess this is a reversal sign for M-Wide. And overall, napakamura niya ngayon. For good company. Our time check, it's 8:59. So, yeah, meron pa isang request si John, si Globe. After this, we'll go to my recommendations for today. Si Globe, kailan ko ba na-recommend si Globe? Di ba na-recommend ko si Globe dito sa baba? Alright, nga pala, yes, I did recommend Globe here because of the double bottom kay Globe. And congratulations sa mga pumasok. Medyo mataas na. I cannot recommend that anymore since we are on a high risk level. We do have momentum. We will just wait for a pullback and bounce before we want to get in, right? Because anytime soon, they should do a pullback since we are reaching resistance levels. Antay lang tayo ng pullback and bounce before we want to enter Globe, okay? Alright, so let's go to my picks really quick. So I have 4 lang. TUGS, CHIB, SMC, and SSI. Before I go to this, please subscribe to my channel. If hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and then click on the bell button para naman po you will be updated on whenever I upload videos. And then we do live. Okay, ma-update po kayo and you get notifications. Also, if you want to create an eToro account and join us in the international market when we trade, please use my link on the video description. Malaking tulong po yan sa channel so that the channel can continue with its endeavors in educating more Filipinos in the future. And po, November 10, reminders again, November 10 po is the seminar with Miss RB Necesito, right? Libre lang po ito. It's gonna be a webinar and it's gonna be recorded. So if ever you want to join and hindi kayo makapag-register kayo at hindi kayo makapanood sa mga schedules, it's recorded so you can still watch the webinar. Okay? Okay, so let's go to my recommendations. Ayan po, si TUGS, number 1. TUGS, right now, nag-bounce na sa support natin and I am gonna be recommending TUGS. That's a confirmation of support. Sobrang solid na po ng support na yan. It's a buy already, right? And you see the divergence of the RSI of TUGS already. It's already starting to go up, meaning wala na po nagbebenta sa area na yan. And buyers, mas marami pang buyers. Wala nung nagbebenta na mas mura. Okay? So, TUGS is in my recommendations for today. CHIB, after the spike last Friday, I'd say yes, we have good volume spikes already. Also, may nag-spike ng prices sa CHIB. That's a good sign. And now, it's back to support. Meron po pong chance. Right? So, I want to test this out. This is for trading and strict cut loss lang. Pwede nyo nga itong bodegahin but I don't want to recommend that. Just trading lang for now, CHIB. strict cut loss, okay, if ever mali tayo. But this is looking well. I think this is gonna go up anytime soon. SMC for today, good volume last Friday. That's the pullback and bounce that we're waiting for, and I'll recommend it now. Right, meron na tayong support for SMC. Kaka-confirm lang po. So SMC for today. Right, SSI, yes, we just covered this earlier. This bounce is our support. So, right here, that's the entry point for SSI. Those are my 4 picks for today. Ang paborito ko po dyan is SMC and TUGS and SSI and CHIB. Actually, paborito ko 4. Kayo na lang po pumili kung sino na pupusuan ninyo. Recommendation ko lang is go for companies that you know and trust. Right? You know are fundamentally good. Para po ang conviction ninyo in getting in the stock or kung gusto niyo yung bodegahin, malakas po kasi kilala niyo yung company. Right? Right, so yes, those are my picks for today. Let's go back to your comments. Oli, yan, tapos na si Oli. And I am John B, tapos na rin. STV Trader, good morning sir. ISM and IRC. We covered ISM already. IRC, nagpo-pullback pa si ISM kasi yan. So it's not a buy for today. So IRC, after the climb, we recommended IRC here. Let's wait for IRC to do a pullback. Let's give it, wala pa tayong buy signal for IRC right now. The last signal na binigay niya was a sell-off after creating the resistance. So, abangan natin si IRC. Okay? Right now, as much as possible, let's try to get in the support of IRC. Hilda Bascos. Right? Good morning, Sir Lloyd. DD, MRSGI, Web po. Si DD, it's either a breakout or kung bumalik siya sa support. Antayin lang natin ang breakout ni DD. Right, before we wanna get in again. Nirecommend na natin si DD dito and then it started to create a resistance. So, malapit tayo sa resistance. Breakout ang next nating entry. MRSGI, recommended it here. Nag-green naman sa MRSGI, kaso nga lang, mabagal pang galaw niya. So, as much as possible, try, bodigahin niyo po sa MRSGI. This is very solid support for MSGI and it's a good company. Okay? And then si Web already recommended it at the support. So, it's still right there. So, buy as long as the support holds for Web. Joanne Cornejo, good morning. Good morning din. Bernard Brian Blanco, good morning, Coach. Ganda ng headset. Anong Steel Series? Arctis. Hindi ko alam kung anong Steel Series to eh. But yeah, this is a Steel Series. And gamer rin kayo. Right? I'm a gamer by heart, actually. Right? And we're starting, isa sponsor ko. This coming isa sa projects ko is, I'm gonna be supporting an esports team here in Cebu. Mag-a-add up po ako ng team dito sa Cebu. One of the best things I really, because I'm a gamer, and recreation po ng mga kabataan is gaming, right? So I wanna help make esports thing here in the Philippines kasi po sa ibang countries may mga college na course about gaming then. If you just know, right? And I want to talk about this really quick. If you just know, game streaming is a good way, a good source of income already ngayon. Kung dati ang gaming hindi po napagpeperahan, may pera na po sa gaming ngayon, which is game streaming and doing YouTubes, yan. And yung professional levels po ng gaming talaga, right? Hindi po natin maiiwasan yan. Maraming bata na naglalaro. Why not just support them? Para pong basketball player rin yan. Parang boxing din yan. And I tell you guys, marami na pong milyonaryong Pinoy dahil sa gaming, right? If you're following the gaming industry, may mga Pinoy po na naging milyonaryo na because of gaming. Sa Dota 2, right, mas malaki pa po ang premyo sa Dota 2 kaysa sa mga professional boxers po natin dito. So it's really a thing, and hindi kailangan bugbugin ang katawan ninyo. So yeah, for those who wants to decide to go gaming kasi, I want to support them also. That's why I'm trying to build a channel and I'm partnering up with people. Sa startup lang ako nag-aano nito ngayon, and we're starting to build a channel for this, which brings me to this, guys. I will ask for your help and subscribe to this channel. Pangdagdag lang po ng subscribers. Really quick. Esports Pinas. So I'm making this Esports Pinas because we're gonna be making an esports league here in the Philippines. We're gonna be sponsoring tournaments. Please subscribe to this channel. Pangdagdag lang po subscription. You don't have to watch the videos. But we need your support in subscribing. Right? The more subscribers kasi ang isang channel, the more mas marami pong possible na sponsors dyan. And once we get sponsors, and we can help the players na i-adapt natin in the future, and we can inspire more Filipinos na instead mag-drugs, mag-sports na lang. And these are one of the videos that we created already. So it's still here in my room. This is gonna be my partner. Help ko lang start up yung channel, and then in the future, he's gonna be handling this. So please subscribe to that channel. Andyan po sa comments. Linagay ko po sa comments. Please, I hope I've earned this request in return. You don't have to watch the videos. Subscribers lang. It's gonna be a very big help already. Thank you so much. Okay, napunta tayo doon dahil sa question niya na still series. Jeff Trajano, Sir BPI. Alright, angat pa ba yan? Let's go back to the topic. BPI, angat pa ba yan? I think so, yes. BPI, I told you, is a very good company. Sana pinasok niyo po to noon. I think aakyat pa siya. Especially, the earnings are gonna be up. I think BPI is still gonna be positive on their third quarter earnings. It's a strong, what they call this? It's a strong company. So I'm still expecting BPI to go up anytime soon. But look for entries lang po, ha. Ito, breakout. This is the best entry right here. Or pullbacks are the best entries. So abangan nyo lang po, right? So congratulations kung pumasok kay BPI dito when I recommended it. Alright, good morning. DMC please. CPG, pa-check. Alright, si CPG, nasa support pa rin si CPG, ha. After climbing, ayun, ito yung breakout niya kasi. So, this is the best right here. Best entry point. Malapit na tayo sa MA20. So, get in near MA20 as much as you can for CPG. Gary Vincent de la Cruz, DMC. We covered DMC already. Antayin natin ang bounce in DMC. Then, you can do test buy for DMC. Alright. Good morning, Melo 101. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Quantum Leap, may buntag, Sir Lloyd. Ano po insights nyo kahit sa Twitter, Slack, Work, at Bidu? Alright. Papasukin na ba? Sa Twitter, nag-downtrend pa eh. Right? Let's open Twitter. Twitter Inc. Right, so, after the gap down of Twitter, positive na may earnings niya. So, I guess this should recover. As much as possible, we want to wait for confirmations kasi. It reached RSI, very good RSI levels. But this RSI was due to the gap down. So, this is an overreaction of the RSI. So, this might be a false signal right here. Okay? Possible false signal po yun kay Twitter. I want Twitter to really confirm a support first before natin start siya bilhin. But this is good. Abangan nyo na po yan. That's a good company right there. Slack Work. Ayan, si Slack. Medyo naglo-lower highs pa. I mean, lower lows. Nag-break siya ng support. But we have divergence already for Slack Work. Antayin nyo yung earnings ni Slackwork. That should help propel it to go up, right, for Slack Technologies. Abangan nyo po yung earnings niya. Alright, that should be a good sign if papasukin na natin si Slackwork. And then si Bidu. Right, Baidu. Heavy on the sideways trend. Yeah, abangan nyo lang po third quarter earnings so that it could propel this going up. It's either that or breakout, right? For Baidu. Alright. Pasukin nyo. Salamat sa opinion ni dito. Salamat and God bless. You're welcome. These are good companies nonetheless, right? It's just that right now it's doing sideways. So, wala pa tayong entry point. It's either here at the support or the breakout. The earnings should propel it to go up. So, if ever mag-propel yan, it will do a breakout. Then, you enter the breakout. Ben Brian Bano, good morning. Banao. Right, sorry. Good morning, XRP po. Si XRP USD. Right, with Bitcoin going up, it should carry the others in going up. Breakout strategy for XRP. Alright? I think this should do a breakout also since Bitcoin is starting to go up already. XRP should start going up also. Sumasabay naman yan. Kasi kaso nga lang hindi gaano. But then again, XRP is a good crypto. Alright, crazy. B.A. Shan, good morning, sir. MWC and PHA po. Right, time check, it's 9:12. Right, MWC, no, not here. International, PSC, MWC. Uy, ang ganda ng volume ni MWC ah. Kahit pula yan, ang ganda ng volume niyan. So, this should be a good support for MWC. Confirmation lang, if you want to, if you want to enter this, abangan niyo po sa breakout niya today. That's gonna be a good confirmation for MWC. Right, na pag nag-breakout siya, that means na tapos na yung tapos na yung negative sentiments niya. It is breaking MA20 already. So, hopefully, umakyat na si MWC. Okay, breakout should be a confirmation na aakyat siya. PHA, may pag-asa pa daw si PHA kasi andun pa rin yung website eh. So yeah, if ever you believe in that, this is a good support for PHA. As much as possible, if hindi pa kayo nakapasok, since you're asking about PHA, if hindi pa kayo nakapasok, pag nag-green ito, try to test it out and then look for an exit point lang, okay? If hindi nyo pa po napapasok si PHA. Roll Bautista, Bloom po, Sir Lloyd. Bloom. Alright, si Bloom, downtrend pa. Abangan natin sa support si Bloom. Tingnan natin if ever bigyan tayo ng entry point ni Bloom. For now, wala pa. Nelson Julian Jr., insights for SOC. SOC. SOC Resources, sideways, best entry is this support right here. So, try to get in sa support. Maglinya po kayo dun sa support. PHA po ba, Sir Lloyd, for long term? Right now, I cannot recommend PHA for long term. Right? Wag po muna. Wag po. Mas marami pong mga long term dyan. Si Metrobank, pwede nyo po i-long term yan. Si ATN, pwede nyo po i-long term. Si MPI, pwede nyo po i-long term. I don't want to recommend PHA for long term as of the moment. Atomic Trader, good morning, Sir. LR and FLI. Si LR, na-recommend ko ito on the support. Still at the support. So, buy as long as the support holds for LR. Yes, si LRW, umakit na eh. So, LR is still okay. FLI, buy as long as the support holds for FLI. So, si LR. Si FLI, nagre-resistance eh. After the climb right here for FLI. So, yeah, use a breakout strategy lang for FLI if ever gusto nyo pong pumasok kay FLI. Alice Kabigting, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, Coach. GFC, MBT, SMPH, KPPI, MEG, and PPG po. Si GFC, bisitahin nga natin si GFC. Alright, si GFC. Okay, good pullback na pala ito. GFC Bodega. Right? Wherever GFC is going right now, just enter it kasi baka umakyat. If it goes further down, then just buy more. Right? Bodagahin nyo lang po yan. Just buy it as it is right now kay GFC. No need for technicals right now since napakamura pa ni GFC. MBT, abangan lang natin si MBT. Just try to buy at the support kasi it's gonna be volatile today because of the stock dividends. SMPH. Ayun. Sa SMPH, mukhang wala ng momentum. Mukhang pababa na sa SMPH. So, mukhang tapos na ang uptrend ni SMPH. Baka head and shoulders na ito eh. Right? I don't want to recommend SMPH anymore. Let's just buy SMPH on the dip again. Antay lang natin mag-dip ulit sa SMPH. Nakalipad na eh. Sabi sa inyo, dito sa baba nyo pasukin eh. Na-recommend ko yan dito sa baba. And there it is for SMPH. Okay? When it broke the downtrend, pinasok natin, and then there it is. I even recommended it on the support for SMPH. Mataas na ngayon sa SMPH. I don't want you to get in anymore. KPPI. May support sa KPPI eh. So nga lang, head and shoulders na pinapakita ng KPPI. So, delikado. With the market right now, I just want you to buy the dips of KPPI. We have a strong support right here. Dito lang tayo maglaro. Huwag nyo pong pipilitin dyan sa taas si KPPI. MEG and PPG po. Si MEG, medyo mataas pa si MEG. Hindi pa, sa levels pa tayo kay MEG, hindi pa buying yan. PPG, right, lower highs already for PPG. So, that's a bad sign for si PPG. Let's see if it will break out at the very least. Ang breakout na lang. Right? Abangan lang tayo ng breakout kay PPG. If ever gusto nyo po pong pumasok kay PPG. Pero nakalipad na po yan eh. Right. John Paul Sikat, good morning everyone. Good morning din. Anje Labs, Maing Buntag, Coach DMC, bakit bumaba? Nagka-sell off lang kay DMC. Wala naman na tayong nakita na bad news kay DMC eh. Just that's the market. That's why we always enter at the support for DMC. Para kung umakyat, makapatake profits tayo. Since konti lang ang buyers bumagsak sa DMC. Right. Richard Alan J. Bulisay, Sir Lloyd, pahabol naman po, XLM and MACDO. Right, for the international market, XLM. XLM USD. Uy, may momentum. Kaka-breakout lang. Right? Nag-sustain yung breakout niya. So, I guess there's gonna be momentum in XLM today. Right? Again, this is crypto. It's volatile. So, make sure you know what you're doing. You can day trade this. Right? As much as possible, bodega for cryptos. Okay? Nawala yung ano ko eh. Nawala yung energy ko. Tapos na. Right? XLM, asa na ako? si Hehe. Bakit nasa pinaka taas yung red candle? 'Di ba dapat green 'yon? I think you're talking about what stock is it? Si mga nag-gap up. Sino ba nag-gap up? Like Tesla. Right, si Tesla, nag-gap up, pwede po yung nasa taas na red. Kasi pag nag-gap up, what if it opened here? Diba? So, gap up siya. Kahit nasa taas po yan, what if at the closing, it closed at the lower part? So, it's gonna be red. Okay? Sino ba ang nag-gap up na pumula? Nangyayari po yan. Nag-gap up pero pula. I think si Apple, AAPL, nag-gap up pero pula. No, I can't find one. So, yeah, there is a possibility na kahit gap up yan, pula yan. Because it opened high and then closed lower. Nagpupula po yan kahit nasa taas yan. Neo, pumping, go in now. Ay, wag po kayo mag-hype dito. Ano ka ba? So, yeah. Delete ko muna si Sam Value Mutu. Right, nag-hype eh. Right, asa na ako? Yan, si Marie. Yan, si MacDo rin pala. May request for MacDo kanina. MCDO. Right, so, pasensya na po if wala akong energy today is because kahapon, the other day, nahulugan po yung big toe ko sa paa. Big toe. Ng bote and namaga ang thumb ko. Hindi ako makatulog sa sobrang sakit. And I'm allergic to pain reliever. So, yeah. I have to. Kahit alas 4 in the morning, hindi ako makatulog. Kasi, yung pulsating na pain, sumasabay sa heartbeat ko yung sakit. So, sakit talaga. So, medyo wala akong energy. But then again, tuloy po rin ang daily grind kahit papaano. Good morning, Boss Lloyd. MBT, ISM, JFC. Meron pa dito, si Marie Brillion. So, pasensya na guys if nauubos kagad ng energy ko. Dapat hindi nauubos yan eh. Pero wala akong tulog. Bakit nasa pinakamataas? Tapos na yun. CLI, how about LTG, FGen, and CLI? LTG is at support level. So, nagko-confirm na ng support sa LTG. So, yeah. Pag nag-green yan, that should be a good sign for LTG. Good volume for LTG last Friday. Tignan natin. Pag nag-green ito si LTG today, that should be a buy for LTG. Okay? LTG... Sino pa to? FGen and CLI. FGen. Right, si FGen mukhang looking good. Right? If FGen breaks out from this, that's a good signal. That's an entry point for FGen. Right? Pero ang gusto ko FGen lagi, pull back and bounce eh. Especially in the market right now, breakouts are not dependable. So, as much as possible, pullbacks and bounce and pinapasok natin kay FGen like this one. So, yeah. And then, CLI. Bulan Masters recommended it last week. At the support, it's still green. Okay pa rin sa CLI. So, as long as the support holds for CLI, pasukin nyo po yan. Okay, guys, again yung YouTube channel na linagay ko po sa comments, please subscribe to it. Malaking tulong po yan. I'm starting something to support the community ng mga gamers since my heart is there. So, your support, yung subscription nyo po, just subscribe to it. Malaking tulong na po yan. Okay, Sir Lloyd, Tel. Ito, si Tel. Nirecommend ko to last, on the support. And medyo umakyat and then pull back na naman. Pag nag-bounce ito, buy the support of TEL because that's a very solid support right there. And then just cut loss below that if ever mag-fail yung support na yan. LR and FLI from Atomic Trader, nabasa na natin to. Jeff Trajano, sir, recommended mo ba si Tesla? As of the moment, yes, Tesla is doing well. Okay? So, si McDo pala kanina, hindi natin nabasa. McDonald's MCD. Right, si McDonald's, nagpupula pa, nagda-downtrend. Underwhelming kasi earnings yan. But overall, this company is still doing well. Okay, so McDo, downtrend pa. Abangan na natin yung buy ni McDo before we wanna get in. Okay, sino yan? Tesla, ayan, si Tesla. The time check, it's 9:23. So, Tesla, after the gap up, tuloy-tuloy pa, sayang. It was very risky, pero tuloy pa rin si Tesla. Ganda na earnings, laki na earnings, 150%. So, we're expecting Tesla to go to recover already. Pero abangan lang po natin ang pullback niya and bounce before we wanna enter Tesla. Kasi po, sa levels na po yan. Ang laki na ng gains niyan for Tesla. Don't wanna recommend it anymore. Gabriel, oh God, sir, how about Annie and IDC? Si Annie, nag-drop na napakalaki last Friday. I don't know what the reason was. Bakit bumagsak si Annie ng ganito, right? Wala namang bad news. 10 days ago pa lang last news ni Annie. So, baka may alam ang mga insiders na pangit kay Annie. So, I want to stay away from Annie for now. Lakas ng drop niya. And, let's see if anong meron. Wala pa namang news na lumalabas. Bakit nagkaganon si Annie? IDC, it's a mix of both bearish and bullish signal kasi. So, a breakout from this triangle is a good signal for Annie and sa IDC. So, that's where we enter for IDC. Okay? For now, wala pa. NEO is China, Ethereum best coin to go in now. NEO is China, blah, blah, blah. Sorry, Mutu. Nagsaspam na naman kayo. VET predictions, please. Right. VET, international market. It's gonna be hard because I don't know this company. Vermilion Energy Incorporated. Yeah, Vermilion Energy Incorporated. Alright, technical analysis wise lang So, it's on a sideways trend, right? This is good. I want VET to show their earnings first, right? Estimated as 0.05. Estimates nila. As much as possible, this is a good support. I will want for VET to release its earnings. Kasi earnings ngayon ang nagpro-propel ng market sa international market. So, if this earnings go well, then that should help the company go up. Antayin natin yung earnings niya. Okay? Jeff Trajano, you're welcome. BPI from Alyssa Villo. Alright, BPI, masyadong mataas pa po. It's 9:25, so last two lang po. Si Reggie and Jeff, basahin po natin. Sir Lloyd, insights po kay ABA and ISM. ABA, si ISM, nagpo-pullback pa. No, not here. Ito si ABA dito. So, ABA, let's see if it will confirm a support. But right now, it's giving us bad signal. So, medyo tapos na yung akyat ni ABA. Kaya, remember, I already stopped recommending ABA. After this one right here, kahit na nag-pullback si ABA, ayoko na si ABA kasi medyo mahal na si ABA. It is already expensive right now, so I don't wanna recommend it yet. Ang dami pong stocks na nasa baba, dun po tayo. ABA, ISM, we already covered ISM. Jeff Trajano, you're welcome. MBT po, Sir Lloyd. MBT, mag-expire na yung Investa Prime subscription ko. So, anyways. MBT po, Sir Lloyd. MBT, let's wait for it to drop today and let's see for the future movements anong mangyayari kay MBT. But definitely it's good, especially considering the earnings niya. Okay, so that's it for today. Guys, again, please, yung request ko, please subscribe to the channel. Andyan po sa comments, right? Kinoment ko po. Please subscribe to it. A little request from my end. November 10 and 11, seminar po natin. Malapit na, so please register. It's gonna be recorded, so you're gonna still be able to watch the replays of the videos should you miss some the episodes. Okay, that's it for today. It's a Monday. Market is looking well. I'm expecting a green market for today, especially that international market did well over the weekend. So, magbodega na po kayo, right? Habang may mga stocks pa nasa baba pa. That's it for today. As always, let's get rich together. Enjoy.